Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 17 Pro Max with a cracked display, and touchscreen is still working, but we'll still replace it right now. So first thing we're going to do is remove the two pentalobe screws on both sides of the Type-C charging port, and through that we can now remove the display by unlatching it from the right side. Ideally you want to do this slowly, but since the display is already cracked, we can take a few notches of force so that we can remove the damaged display, but we'll still retain the housing and the frame to be scratch free whenever possible. But later on we'll have to do some modification on the frame itself because some of the corners and sides were bent, and we need to remove those so that we can install a new display. So we're slicing through the sides, lifting it up. The display on iPhone 17 Pro Maxes are held on by adhesive and clips. They're also metal clips. So when you open it up from the right side because the connector is located on the left side. You can still see we can still turn it on, but the displays become worse because we've applied force on all sides. And we'll remove the display right here. So compared to older iPhone generations, the battery is covered at least. So when you open an iPhone from the front, you are greeted by a very clean layout like this one. So what David is removing right now is for the Face ID. The replacement display that we have doesn't come with this because this is mated to the board itself. This is where your data resides, so it's kind of flimsy compared to previous iPhone generations. So you have to be very careful. Although this is very doable, you have to be very careful because it's just like a very thin tape that you can rip out. We transfer it to the new display and put the two tiny screws you can see here. And then once you put it back, we can now test if the display is working with the board. Mind you, this is a genuine display replacement. So once we install this back in, no errors. It will have true tone, impeccable display, colors. That's what you will see later on. Push the two connectors in and turn it on. iPhone is booting up. There you go. Then we'll have to see that display is not throwing any errors. Cameras are all working. That's David there doing the repairs. There you go. We can now shut this phone down and continue with our repair. So just like what I've said, this is a genuine screen replacement for an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So what you got used to the factory display, you'll also get here. Next, we're gonna modify or fix the bent corners where the damage happened. So some of these corners can be bent inside, so we need to pull it out so that when we install the new display it will sit flush in between the frame. And also the burrs, sometimes they have sharp edges from the fall, and once we modify it, sometimes there's imperfections on the side, so we have our mini drill here to grind off some sharp edges, especially outside. We also have a manual file. You have to be very careful with this one because shavings, aluminum shavings can go inside the smartphone, which can damage the board. But here, David is just putting some pressure lightly and then blowing it away with our manual blower. Then install some new liquid adhesive. We'll apply just the right amount so that the new display will not fall off when the client is using it. Not gonna be waterproof though. If you are used to taking your iPhone to the pool, this is not gonna be the same IP rating, so we're not gonna claim that it will restore your waterproofing. Splash resistance, maybe it will definitely survive that, but not really deep water excursions. So we'll put the clips back in, press in the new display. Perfect fit right off the bat. Turn it on, final testing. There you go. And next, of course, we'll put our 2 screws on the sides of the charging port and we're good to go. So if you have an iPhone 17 Pro Max and you need a new screen badly because you dropped it, don't hesitate to message David here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre or head to your local repair service technician. If you have Apple Care still active, you can go to an Apple store and have it fixed. And this is the before and after. There you go. We'll throw in a new tempered glass and then clean it up. And this is gonna be a freebie so that the phone can at least last for quite some time in terms of the display health. Tempered glass prevents scratches and of course protects it from the light drops. For extreme cases, it will lessen the cracks, but it's not a guaranteed bulletproof assurance that it will be preventing any screen damage if extreme drops were incurred in the phone. So this is it. This is done. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.